What's up, guys? Just got the dirt world. Gonna practice on my KTM 250. I'm gonna try and use this 250 to actually learn how to ride my sport bike better. In the process, hopefully get better as a dirt bike too, as well. Right now I'm just a D rider. I kind of suck at this. I mean, I thought it would be much easier than it has been, but it just seems like everything's different between a sport bike and a dirt bike. But I'm at Dirt World. Not a lot of people right now. Hopefully I'm going to get some footage. Today I'm just going to practice on the attack position and just sitting on the seat, keep my knee on the peg until I get used to turning. Right now I'm just a D rider, so even the fundamentals are hard. But one thing I want to do before I ride is actually I'm going to move my clutch lever in a little. I'm going to move this in closer to here and hopefully get more leverage from the grip or where I place my hand. So sometime today I'll load up my camera, my Garmin, where I get an idea of lap times and speed that I'm carrying as a baseline, and see how I improve as time goes on. Okay, so I just got in from my first warm-up. I guess I was out there about 10 minutes, I don't even know, but it's rough. I'm sucking today. Track's drier than I'm normal. Track's drier than what I'm used to. All the riding I had been learning really doesn't apply because the front wants to slide out more, and overall my technique is horrible. So I think I'm just going to slow down, practice on attack position, stay seated, and just choosing lines and looking ahead. Something easy, because if I try to go beyond that, it just overwhelms me too quick and I start making mistakes. But I'm gonna hook up my Garmin, do some on-site footage, something I can review later, and just have an idea of how I look or what it looks like from the driver's seat. Alright, I just got back from filming. I had to move the mount. Camera almost came off. I'm out of shape. I'm wore out. Don't have the stamina to continue, but I did get quicker that time. Fundamentals still suck. I think I'm trying to go too fast, too quick, and there's other people on the track and I don't want to hold them up, but I'm doing better. Overall, I improve every time I come to the track, but it's a lot of work to do. It's a lot of work. It's a lot of physical work too. Next thing, you need to start getting physically fit. It's hard to be fat and out of shape and ride a dirt bike fast. Crash and leave. Something's wrong with the front. It's not aligned right. I can't figure it out. It almost looks like the bar's bit. Anyway, I survived. Gonna go home, figure out what's wrong with the front or if anything, but definitely didn't look right riding it. All right, next time.